Hey everyone! Did you know that Mother Nature's got some seriously smart professors? Yep, I'm talking animals. Turns out, these 10 creatures have way more wisdom to share than any textbook. Here are 10 animals that will teach you more about life than a 4-year degree. Let's dive in. Number 1. The chameleon. Become the master of adaptation. Chameleons are the OGs of blending in. They're telling us, adapt, change it up, seriously own those vibes. Because guess what? Life's always throwing curveballs, so flexibility is your superpower. Number 2. The elephant. Remember what matters most in life. Elephants never forget, right? They're all about family, empathy, and sticking together. That's emotional intelligence 101, and it beats any lecture hall hands down. Number 3. The owl. Find wisdom through observation. Owls chill in the background, but they see everything. Think about it. Sometimes shutting up and truly listening teaches you more than constantly talking. Number 4. Salmon. Go against the flow. Upstream struggle? Salmon are like, bring it. This is the ultimate growth mindset. The easy path rarely leads to the amazing stuff. Number 5. Spider. Weave your own path. Spiders are master creators. Every single web is planned and built with purpose. Your life is the same. Make it your own masterpiece. Number 6. The bee. Stay busy. Stay happy. Bees are the definition of work hard, play hard. Find what lights you up, contribute to your world, and don't forget to savor those sweet rewards along the way. Number 7. Hummingbird. Find joy in every moment. Hummingbirds are the masters of tiny pleasures. They remind us life's not always about the big picture. The small, beautiful stuff matters just as much. Number 8. The wolf. Lead with your heart. Wolves are the ultimate squad. They've got leadership, loyalty, and mad protective instincts. It's a reminder to build your tribe and stand strong together. Number 9. The bear. Embrace your power. Bears are chill until they're not, right? They teach us the balance of self-confidence and knowing when to rest and recharge. Number 10. The cat. Curiosity breeds success. Who doesn't love a cute kitty? Here's the thing. A cat's gonna cat. 100. Always exploring and questioning the status quo. Stagnation is the enemy, so channel your inner feline and keep that sense of wonder alive. So, which of these animal teachers hit home for you? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you dug this video, hit that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more ways to totally win at this whole life thing. Till next time, keep winning, rising and thriving.